Starting my video. Hello. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Amul Live, Facebook Live, Taste of India. This is Geeta Hari here. I'm a journalist who writes on food, travel, lifestyle, wellness, and I'm also a curator of food for premium hotels across India. Off that light, glare is coming. Hi Sangeeta, hi Abhishek, hi Vimlesh, hi Meena. So today I'm going to be showing you a healthy breakfast recipe with all the Amul products. And Amul is my favorite, and it is always stocked in my refrigerator because this is one thing that you just cannot be without, like Amul Taza milk, gold milk. Then you have the so here we are having Amul milk, Amul products here. So we have got all these Amul products. Yes. So we have Amul cheese, Amul cheese spread, sliced cheese, Amul Shrikhand, Amul Dahi, Amul Milkmaid. So all these are my products, which I always keep them stacked in my refrigerator. Amul ghee and a lot more fresh cream and a lot more of Amul products always found in my fridge. So now today I'm going to show you all a very nice healthy breakfast recipe. And this is called cheese corn toast. Cheese corn toast. And we are going to be doing today lighter. So let's start. So you know how it is. Amul cheese is full of air அடிக்கிறது. Yeah. Hello. Sorry. Hello. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Hello, Gurleen. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Sorry, we went off the air by mistake. So I'm just showing you. Okay, I'm Geeta Hari. I'm a journalist who writes on food, travel, lifestyle, wellness, and I'm also a food curator for premium hotels across India. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make cheese corn toast the healthy way with lots of Amul products. So just let's have a look at them. So these are the Amul products that I have with me. I've got Amul butter, Amul cheese, cheese spread, cheese slice, Amul ghee. Besides, the other products which I use are Amul Masti, Shrikhand, Mithai Mate, fresh cream for my other dishes. Starting live video. I must not do anything. just having a bit of teething problem. Bear with me. Yeah, so we have got, now I'm going to show how to make how to make cheese corn toast. So this is, initially I'm taking this pan and I'm going to add a bit of ghee to it. Amul ghee goes into it. And then we are going to add, then we are going to add onion to it. I've got chopped onion. The requirements are chopped onion, chopped onions, chopped capsicum and green chilies. We are going to saute them in amul ghee. We are going to saute them in amul ghee. Now I've added chopped capsicum to it, and these are the green chilies that go into it next. So you can see them getting sauteed, and then we are going to have boiled corn kernels. American corn kernels are there, which I have boiled and kept. These are salted and boiled, which I'll be adding to the mixture. So I'm sauteing onions, capsicum, green chilies and boiled corn kernels. To this I add a little more bit of salt, and then I've got chili flakes here. Chili flakes. So adding chili flakes. Pepper powder. Black pepper powder. And giving it a good stir. And then adding a bit of cheese to it. This is a grated cheese, grated Amul cheese. I'm adding this to it to give it a creamy smoothness, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk, Amul Taza milk, and stirring it so that we get a nice homogeneous mixture. By the way, I don't know if the earlier this thing has come out. So I'm Geeta Hari. I'm a journalist. I write for leading publications on food, wellness and lifestyle. And I'm also a food curator with leading hotels across India. So this is ready now. Can you see the texture? So now we are going to add, now that is done. Now I am going to take another pan,
Toast the bread.
and then toast the bread. So here I am going to use Amul butter. So I am using Amul butter. And then we are going to toast the bread on both the sides. I've got brown bread because brown bread is whole wheat bread, and I'm a wellness freak, so I'm going to be using a lot of wellness products. And I'm also a zero waste kitchen promoter, so I won't be cutting the edges, the corners. So we are just going to toast the bread now in this. You can also use a sandwich maker, a toaster, or a griller. So it has to brown. We've added a lot of Amul butter to it. So it's getting toasted in that. And I've got this. This is Amul sliced cheese, which I'll be adding to the toast as a layer. Now we'll be layering it. Now I'll be layering it with a cheese slice. And topping it. That's the cheese slice. Now goes the mixture, the corn mixture that we made. Here is the corn mixture. And then again I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes, oregano. This is oregano. A bit of salt, and the most important ingredient comes now, health ingredient. This is flax seed. Flax seeds are very good for health, full of omega-3, dietary fiber and proteins. But remember, you have to toast the flax seeds before, because the seed coat of the seed is indigestible. It's very hard to digest. So you have to put toast the flax seeds. Then I've added now grated Amul cheese. I've topped it with grated Amul cheese, and I'm going to place the other slice of bread on top of it. Just going to do this. Yeah. So that's all ready now. I'm switching off the flame, and this is ready to eat. And now I'll show you the one I've already made. And you can cut it into triangles and sprinkle some cheese on top of this. Sprinkle some cheese on top, and then enjoy it with salad and potato chips and a piping hot cup of coffee or tea. So this is as easy as it gets, and as delicious and healthy too. Like I said, this is full of the goodness of cheese, omega-3 fatty acids. Then we have proteins, then folic acid, phytochemicals, and of course, you know, cheese has got calcium, milk has calcium in it, and corn is full of vitamin K and iron. So this is a very healthy breakfast recipe. So please do try it at home. The seed's name is flax seed. Flax seed. Vaibhav. Flax. Flax. Flax seeds are. They have omega-3. They have omega-3 fatty acids. But always toast the seed before consuming it. Anything else? Yeah, you want a quick recap towards the end? Okay, the quick recap is I have sauteed onion, chopped onions, chopped capsicum, green chilies in ghee, along with chili flakes and pepper powder. And I have also used a little bit of milk and cheese to it to make it a creamy texture. And then I toasted the bread and topped it with a cheese slice. Again topped it with the mixture, the corn mixture, and then topped it again with another slice of bread. And just heat it for a while and cut it into triangles. Thank you so much. Thanks. I hope you all liked it. And I just wanted to show these products to you all. So that's Amul products, which is always there stocked in my refrigerator, and it's one of the healthiest, tastiest, delicious products, and you can make a lot of items with them. And this is one of my favorite breakfast recipes. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Do try it at home for breakfast, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. You can have it with chutney, ketchup, tomato ketchup, chili sauce. Please do try and let me know how it is. Please share it, spread the word. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me on Amul Life, Taste of India, Amul FB Live. Thanks. மரம் இருக்கா சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய பேர் இது குட் குட் திருப்பப்பாங்க இது Yes, the recording of this live will be available on Amul Facebook page. It will be there on the Facebook page of Amul. You may share it also. Thank you so much for all your appreciation. Yes, Mridula, what happened? You joined late? Yeah, so this is cheese corn toast. So I'm glad you all enjoyed this. Thank you so much. It was a privilege to be on Amul Facebook Live. Thank you, Amul. Thanks so much.